Hello everyone. So yesterday I bought this top fin 37-gallon aquarium starter kit. That's the essential series from Top Fin. So that's the box. I'll not do the unboxing because I already did it. I'll just show you. This contains the aquarium, the top hood with the LEDs already attached, water heater, filter, then that's a hang-on filter at the back, a net, thermometer, and water testing while there. So, and here's my aquarium. I already set it up. So first I wiped it with a damp cloth with water only from inside out because there were some small silicone particles here and there. Oh, that's just a leveler, just to check if it's level or not. So here's the water heater that came with it. It has two suction cups. I attached it completely submerged, like at this height from the top, and it is set on 26 degrees centigrade. It's right now turned off because the water is already at the optimal temperature. That's the thermometer. It comes with one suction cup, and I have placed it on front over here. The only bad thing is it comes in Fahrenheit readings, no centigrade readings or Celsius. That's the only downside. I bought a couple of decor plants, and yeah, I need to buy some more just to cover up the background because these wires, they don't look good. And then that's a filter with the extension tube. It's pretty basic filter, not much to do, just it sits at the back end of the tank, hangs at the top. Got this cover, and then the filter. So here's the valve to control the water intake, either maximum or minimum, whatever you select it. And there's a little indicator that shows when to change the cartridge. I'm not sure how accurate that is. I'll definitely look into that later on. So, and yeah, that's the top hood. It's removable, it's not attached anywhere. So here's a small feeding cover. It's actually touching the water. Water is quite filled up in this tank, so you just lift it up, and those are the LEDs. So I'll put it back. And I bought this bubbler sail ship, something sunken, that looks good, this corner, and another one over there. So I set it up last night, and right now water is being conditioned, the bacteria thing is going on, and it will take me at least one more day before I can introduce any fish in it. So yeah, that's a 37-gallon, and yeah, I didn't bought any aquarium stand or something. They are way too expensive. This is the table. I bought it from IKEA. That's I think $20 table here in Canada. It's actually under the coffee table sections, but yeah, it's doing a good job holding 37-gallon aquarium instead of like spending about $200 to get a table for this thing. Yeah, it's a little bit on a lower side, but if I stand up, so aquarium looks good, at least to me. Okay, thank you.